Hello and welcome to our school. We're glad you're here. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to join the teacher that you're subbing for, their Google Classroom, and their Google Meet. The first thing you're going to want to do once you log into a device is open up a Chrome browser. Once the Chrome browser is open, you're going to want to log into your personal Gmail account through the Gmail or somewhere over here in the account section at the top right of your Chrome browser. Once you log into your personal account, you're going to be able to go to your Gmail where you will see two invitations. The first invitation is for a Google Classroom, so you can log in as a student. You're going to click the blue Join button, and I'm going to switch accounts again to help show you what you will see. You may go right into the classroom. If not, you might have to get a code from our secretary so that you can join the class. If you have to get a code, simply click on the plus icon and hit Join Class. And then once you receive the code, take that code, copy it, and paste it in that link code or class code, and then hit join. Once you're in the classroom, you'll notice that you'll have stream, classwork, and people. The place where you'll need to be the most is in the classwork section, where you'll see all of the assignments and material that the teacher has posted for the students. The second part is to join that teacher's Google Meet, where you'll be teaching or reteaching students and helping monitor the classwork that they are working on for this day. To join that meet, you simply click on the email and join meeting. Again, I'm going to switch the account to show you what it looks like from your personal account. Once you're in the meeting, you're going to click Join Now, and then you will be able to monitor students as needed. A few things to note on a Google Meet is the microphone icon. If you want to speak, make sure that that is turned on. And the video icon, make sure you turn that on so that students can see you as you speak. The last few options that I want to make sure that you're aware of is to turn on closed captions if you'd like to see captions for those who are speaking in the Meet. And then the Present Now icon, where you can actually present your own entire screen by clicking on this and clicking on the screen you want to share, and then the Share icon. Once you do this, you'll notice that anything on your screen will be presented to the students that are in that class. To stop sharing, just simply click on the Stop Sharing button. To notice who are in the classroom, you'll see all of the students listed here. To see the chat, which might be questions that are being posed by students or links or announcements that you need to make to the class, you click on this icon, type here, or see what other students have typed. And then lastly, if you wish to change the layout of your Meet, you can do that here. Hopefully this helps you navigate how to successfully sub for our school in the digital setting and in the remote setting. We thank you for your time here, and we hope that you enjoy it.